Hello, welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today we're going to go ahead and make some guacamole to go along with our Taco Tuesday. Guacamole is so simple to make. You really just need an avocado, some salt, and garlic, either garlic powder or a garlic clove. And then to spice it up, you can go ahead and add in either some crushed chili powder or some onion, or even both. I also like to go ahead and squeeze in a lime into mine. The lime juice makes it last a lot longer before it goes dark and starts turning brown, and gives it a nice little flavor as well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and cut our avocado and start our guacamole. All right, scoop out all the insides here into our bowl. Go ahead and smash that up with a fork. Once that's smashed, we're going to go ahead and add in some red onions for some little spice there to it. Mix that in there. Couple of shakes of red crushed chili pepper. It adds a nice little flavor to it. A pinch of salt just to your liking. Some people like more, some people like less. Then we're going to take a lime. We're going to cut this lime and squeeze in. We're going to squeeze in this juice from this lime in here. Again, what this lime juice does, besides adding nice flavor to it, it also keeps the avocado from turning brown over time. So if you don't eat this all up right away, let's say you put it in your refrigerator, go ahead and cover it, put it in your refrigerator, it'll last a lot longer before it starts turning dark brown because of that lime juice. Lastly, we're going to put in just a little bit of garlic. Again, that's to your taste. Don't put too much in if you don't like a whole lot of garlic. All right, now let's go ahead and give that a good sample. Yum. Delicious. Thanks for joining us in My Low Country Living today as we made homemade guacamole. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our page to continue to receive videos like this.